Hello again. As you can we got our subwoofer here. Everything looks really cured out good. When you push on it, there's no rubbing, and you don't want rubbing because that would damage the voice coil. So it seems like I got it glued in the right place to recenter the cone. I can literally pick this thing up by its cone. I'm picking it up by its cone. These things weigh about 30-40 pounds that I'm hanging on this suspension. Can't get much worse than that playing. We'll hook it up here and we'll turn everything on. I'll get it all hooked up here and then cut you back on. Okay, we're back. Got everything hooked up. Let's see. Yeah. No more flopping sound. Seems to be okay. And we'll put it in here. See, I don't know if I can do this one-handed or not. Oh, this is tough. Tough to do it one-handed. Holes didn't line up. Okay, there we go. Now there's that, got all the holes lined up. Nameplate facing down, time to drop in the hole. Perfect. Yeah, I tried to wash off the excess glue with mineral spirits. It didn't do very good, but like I said before, this woofer's over 10 years old and I banged it pretty hard. It's my Mr. Reliable utility woofer. Most installs I've done with it, you can't even see it anyways. So I'm not going to worry too much about it. Yes. And let me zip these down, I'll cut it back on. Now for the final piece, the trim ring. There we go. I'm still standing waiting. Crescendos are awesome, baby. These things act like little subs, even in mid-range mode. Really good. Yep, sounds like it's doing its job. There you have it. I repaired the subwoofer. Sounds good as new again.